The RambleWood EC2-18 Electric Stovetop delivers strong two-burner performance in a compact footprint that suits tight kitchen spaces, small apartments, and RV installations. Its smooth ceramic glass surface looks upscale, wipes clean easily, and pairs nicely with modern stainless or minimalist kitchen designs. The combination of an 1800-watt and a 1200-watt burner gives you enough power for fast boiling while still handling gentle simmering without scorching. 9 distinct power levels and precise digital controls make it easy to dial in consistent heat for everything from delicate sauces to high-heat searing. The built-in timer, residual heat indicator, and child safety lock add real-world safety and convenience that you notice in everyday cooking. Because it is designed for 220 to 240-volt hardwiring, it integrates cleanly into a more permanent kitchen setup without a bulky plug cluttering the counter.